With the CRM integrations in AllProWebTools, it's possible to schedule time-sensitive events directly to your Google Calendar. This can help you keep all of your calendars and events organized and take advantage of the alerting systems that Google Calendar provides. To do this, you will need the CRM integrations, which you can add by going to Settings and Web Tools. Go to the Available Web Tools button and scroll down until you find the CRM integrations. Then you can go click Add, and now you have the CRM integrations tool installed. Before being able to schedule events, you must first connect a Google Calendar to each user. To do that, go to Settings and then Users. And now click on the user you would like to connect a calendar to. And go to the Calendar tab and click on the Calendar Setup button. If you are not already logged into your Google account, it will ask you to log in. Otherwise, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you click Allow to let AllProWebTools manage your Google Calendars, it will give you a code. Copy this code, and now go back to your console, and paste the code in the box below the Calendar Setup button, and click Connect. Now that we've connected a Google account, it will give a list of all the calendars that exist in that account. The next step is to select a calendar that AllPro will be adding events to. You can either select a calendar that already exists and click Change Default Calendar to save, or if you would like, you can go into your Google Calendar and create a new calendar to add events to by clicking on this drop-down option and selecting Create New Calendar. Now that this user has a Google Calendar connected, they can now schedule client follow-ups and task due dates directly into their Google Calendar with a single click. I can get to a contact CRM record by using the search bar at the top. Once here, I can schedule a follow-up time by clicking in the field and selecting a date from the date picker. Now that a follow-up time has been scheduled, I can add this event to my Google Calendar by clicking on the Calendar button. AllProWebTools will automatically fill in the title and the time of the event. You can add a description if you need to add extra information about this event. Notice that I must select a user to schedule this event for, and not only can I schedule this event on my own Google Calendar, I can schedule it for any user that has a calendar connected to their account. This way I can make sure that my employees are aware of certain events that I want them to know about. Once I'm finished, all I have to do is click Schedule, and this event will be added to my Google Calendar automatically. In fact, if I go to my calendar right now, I can see the follow-up event that I just scheduled. To schedule a task, I'm going to click on my task notifications up here and go to one of the new tasks that are in my inbox. Notice that this task was given a due date when it was first created. Since it has a due date, I can schedule this task to my Google Calendar. Just like before, I just click the Calendar button, and AllProWebTools will automatically fill in the title and the time for me. I simply select the user I want to schedule this for, add a description if I need to, and then click Schedule. And now AllProWebTools has automatically added this due date to my Google Calendar. And in fact, if I go to my calendar right now, we can see that an event was added at the due date of this task.